What's up, YouTube? Had a little excitement around here last night. I was just about to get to sleep, and my roommate said, "JC, let's go." And she had urgency in her voice. So I jumped up, pulled on my jeans and my house shoes. I didn't even put a shirt on. I put my jacket on. I left my wallet, my keys, and everything. I just grabbed my phone, and out the door we went. I was ready in 30 seconds. That's unusual, too. I just got to sleep, but on the way over, she told me, she said, "We're going over to, I'm not going to share her name, but it's our young family member's house, and she just had a baby." She said there were shots fired. So I'm like, okay, let's go. And so we're on our way, right? And we get there, and the cops had done been there, and they cleared the scene and made sure everybody was all right. What had happened is I think a neighbor had popped off a round, and another neighbor called the law and said it was them. So come to find out, now we're on the phone with these kids' mom the whole time. She's like, "Hurry up, get there." And we did. We got there quick. We got across town pretty quick. And so this is a shout out video, and this is for Wachoski and Martin. Sergeant Wachoski and Martin went there. They got there quick. They had prompt response time, and they made sure my family was okay. You know, shots fired is a pretty big deal around here. We just had a homicide last week here in West Plains. So they're on notice, they're on alert, they're on edge. And they went over there and they took care of my family members and cleared the house. And they did their jobs and they honored their oaths. And so I got to shout them out. You know, my goal is to expose police corruption. So when I find a couple that do the right thing, I want to shine on them because they're helping me achieve my goal. And these guys honored their oath. They did what they were supposed to do, and they did it correctly. So Wachoski and Martin, good job. Thank you very much for your service. I appreciate it. Now let's get to the video. I didn't get much, but I got a little bit. I quit recording because everything was kosher, but what I did get, I'll show y'all. And thank you guys. You guys did a great job.
Wouldn't calm down till after everything was figured out that it was a kind of a miscall.
So do I need to go in there?
No, everything's fine, man.
Everything's fine. We gotta calm
Where's
down.
Colton at?
He's inside.
No one got arrested.
He's inside. So
Okay, we go in the house.
So-
Joni. Hey,
Joni,
Joni.
they didn't go in the house, Joni.
Joni.
Listen.
This is Jesse.
so pretty much the gist.
Well, I mean, that's
Oh,
fine, but there's no
pretty much
reason.
the gist of it.
The
Is the
gist
neighbor
of
of
this
it
is-
who called. They said they heard gunshots coming from this house. Well, that's just it. We figured it out eventually. So there's a gigantic stack of, like a big Tupperware container full of tin cans back there. It fell over, and all those tin cans started bouncing all around and made a loud bang.
God.
And they're in here yelling because I guess her and Colt were arguing.
Yeah.
So they call in, or one of these houses calls in, says they heard gunshots and people screaming.
Okay.
So we come over here not knowing if there's a shooting going on.
Oh, okay.
That's pretty much the gist of it.
Oh, shit.
Well, it kind of scared the hell out of us too, because we didn't know what we were walking into until we got here.
Yeah. How you doing, Sarge?
No one
How are you,
was
sir?
arrested.
All right.
Yeah, no one was arrested. Mariah wasn't
No,
arrested.
they ain't even got a
wasn't
gun.
arrested.
So that's what happened. And I got to shout these guys out because they did their jobs and they did it right. And they helped me achieve my goal. And my goal is to change the way policing's done in America. And these guys honored their oath and they did a good job. So thank you guys.